guys, welcome to our next day in the video. It's a girl dinner for those who don't know and want to know. Thanks for keeping it real. That's why you're back. I'm glad for that. And if you're a newcomer, just join the family. Just subscribe, like, and comment, and say you're a new subbies to get a shout out. Not necessarily that, but just comment down below and get a shout out, because I'm gonna just give it to you here. Anyways, it is December 23rd. It's been a long minute, hot minute before I did any videos. I had intention, but one of the reasons I could not do Vlogmas this year because Decembers are very chaotic for us, and right now they're doing cake baking. I cannot show you because it's completely chaotic in there, and I don't want to only be in there trying to squeeze in and get the camera there. But I'm gonna show you guys a little, like when it's finished, or just a little tip if I can. But if I can't, just bear with me. It's just chaotic. But my room is a mess. I'm trying to not show you guys my room too much. It's a mess. I'm gonna clean my room. I'm going to clean my room. I went on the road today to do some grocery shopping and so forth, and I put my room apart this morning before I went on the road, and now I came back and just the mess of make. But yeah guys, just stay tuned for the vlog. Don't forget to like. Please keep it real, my man. Come on. Now if I want to be and keep it real, I really appreciate it. You just comment, continue watch the video, them share it, tell a friend, and just keep it real, because make it real, period. Yeah, so see you until then.
What are you doing? Yes, this is the butter, and it's ready. It's just ready for the other mixture.
Look at my face. Anyways, so I don't finish do my room. I have to stop and come up in the kitchen because baking hectic. My cousin wash. Should have this some can't really show now right now because she no camera ready. Yeah. But me wash some plate. Too much, and I don't like too much plate. She wash. I type on the stove, the oven for preheat, and me wash some plate because just look at my eye. That's how much. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in a few. Look what I'm eating here. What is the way to go? The oven preheat, and then we're gonna do dinner. Put it in the pan. I'm gonna show you guys what I do dinner. Look here. I should have turned on the light. I can't have my auntie next year. No free of charge though. Girl wants her bag. Tell them auntie wants her bag. Tell them the link what?
Auntie wants her bag.
Period. I have some goodness here. And watch here. What I don't like walk until they go. And then when I don't feel, guys, I'm super proud because your girl did her hair all by myself. Who you know? But yeah guys, I feel so good. I legit feel happy because I did my own hair. But yeah guys, I'm legit happy. This is like a mini milestone for me. I feel so good on myself. I do my own hair. It took a lot of time, and the jelly all over the glue was all over the place because of that wig. It was all over the place. Excuse this, guys. The glue was a little bit all over the place, but I got it done. Period. Let me show you guys. Ooh, you know. Somebody else. Dun, 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 dun. Maybe you're putting them sing them song, but I don't even know how it is. I feel so proud of myself. I'm gonna come over like a bit. Yeah. But yeah, guys, I feel so proud. I feel so proud of myself, you guys. Don't mind. I feel so proud of myself that I went ahead and I tried instead of to, you know, went to the hairdresser. It's so expensive. Not only that, but the fact say, yo, COVID, man, I really want to go there, you know. But yeah. Oh, today, man, not even get for video anything, but all I did was wash. I did my grandma's hair. I'm gonna insert a little picture of it tomorrow. I'm gonna edit it in now because I'm not finished. But yeah, I did that, and I don't want to buy something, guys. Christmas tired. I don't want to say next Christmas yet. But I have to legit do all of these things. And tomorrow is Christmas dinner, and no food haven't cooked as yet, so everything's being done tomorrow. But the meat them are marinate, so you know them are soaked from Wednesday. They were soaking from Wednesday. Today's Thursday. Yeah, so they're soaking from Wednesday. You guys, but God know. But yes, auntie, I wasn't even in. I wasn't even sure about that little thingy we put in the cake. Like paper, them never say they have to dry it, guys. Like my auntie that time say you have to dry it, and they have to literally use a cake pan and dry it. The thing that they put inside the paper that you put inside of the cake. Yeah, so it was an experience. I learned a lot. Honestly, I learned a lot. You know. But yeah, that area I'm going with itself, you know. I'm going with it like a self because I me put it in. But I shown ages, but everything is for tomorrow. But I'm gonna catch you guys in the next clip. Peace. Hey you guys, Merry Christmas from my family to yours. It is December 25th and I am currently outside. There's a lot of music in my house. It's a bit hectic because we are cooking dinner and all that. I don't know how I'm gonna manage to show no what I'm, but I'm gonna try because you know I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I did my hair last night and I'm super proud for that. I thought I carried it to show you guys, but I didn't. However, I'm gonna show you guys a little. So peace out, and I'm gonna give them gift yet. I don't know what I'm gonna give them. I think when the time right, I'm gonna feel it and do it. But I'm gonna get it. Anyways, I'm gonna see you guys in the next clip. Bye! I'll me put it down the place, kitchen. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Because get a bicycle.
Oh, you feel?
Big bicycle.
Oh, you feel? Thank God it's not black. You will out this. Because they will have fine. We are. Oh, you feel?
Get her bicycle.
Big bicycle. Oh, you feel?
Big bicycle.
You feel good? So now walk with. And you say nobody that get them mixed up last night, though. You tell them what they did laugh, because you hear me now, poor soul. Say thank you, mommy. You tell them thanks, Uncle?
Who buy it for you?
Daddy.
Daddy, buy your bicycle. Tell Daddy thanks, because I watch this.
Thank you, Daddy.
Alright.
Mama?
What is that, Khalil? What is that? What is that, Khalil? What is that? I have no idea what is that. It's a doom.
It's a chop.
It's like some... Never clue.
I don't know. So the next one. How you feel about your first gift?
Good. It was so big.
Well, you have 2 more to get. One from Auntie and one from me. How you feel about that?
Good.
You feel excited? But they are going. So when you come by, tell them bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Mwah.
Stand them out.
Peace.
And you guys, otherwise from the normal cake, my grandmother went ahead and she made some pudding. This is potato pudding. My camera for open it because this cannot take a little time to lock back. And there, these are for the persons who don't drink sour, like my cousin. Kana doesn't drink sour. And this is more cake. But I eat cake. But yeah, and see my auntie get some food. Otherwise, this is my favorite. This is the reason why I love Christmas, because outside everything, we get food all about. You get me? But anyways, I'm gonna see you in the next clip because we watch 10 million plates. So see you in the next clip. Yeah. You guys, I don't know if it's a show. I'm gonna try to show you what I'm going in here. So I don't show you to bring on show and all them things. These are the meat cans. See all that niceness? This is the rice, you guys. This is the rye. Oh guys, this is vegetable number 1. Let me just fix it back. I want to watch this. And this vegetable number 2. Some burgers and that. I see that big up people them all look sorry. Best believe I was not a sorry drinker. Can you believe that, guys? I was not. Yeah, but I'm gonna see you next clip. Peace.
Girl, you've become so big. What's my check?
If it is. Hey you guys.
Hey, guys.
Let's cut it.
Ready for the next gift?
Let's cut it, look. Then break cut it.
We are lucky.
Okay, no.
Yeah.
You're so big.
Thank you.
I'm from
She got croxes.
You like it? You think you can, sir?
Okay, shows that. Oh, shows that.
Lenko. So thank you. So thank you.
Thank you, Tutu.
I like what shows that.
Ooh, the sun is right on my eyes. But hey, you guys, welcome back to another day. May I get too used to this. Anyways, you guys, Merry Christmas from my house to your house once more. I just get fresh. I'm gonna take this off of my head because I don't know. I just feel comfortable in it. So trying to find the best lighting. Yeah, I just feel comfortable in it. Anyways, I just got for brush. I want this little cute little best chin. Yeah, I'm just get fresh and I'm about to follow my sister. Go to the bus stop because she's leaving us. She came and she's leaving now. I have 2 more gifts I need to give, but maybe I'll probably do it off camera or on camera. I don't know. Let me see how far the minutes are in this, then I'm gonna check it out and do that. However, I noticed this. Me I cut that off. However, let me see if I can show my little fit. It's a cute little fit. It's a little rumple. Let me see if I can get her. I don't know if I can get enough for today's, but it's a cute little rumple. You see? You see? With some cute little pockets at this side. You know, the skin and fold right here. So that's what I'm chilling in today. Lenkwa is by her family's house. We're about to eat dinner, but everybody is eating. Some people don't eat it, but remember somebody did eat earlier, so however I'm not eating now, so I'm going to eat a little later because I'm kind of full-ish at the moment. But I must see if I can show you guys what I'm having. Make sure I find light. I'm going to show you guys what I'm having as soon as I come back off the road, you know. Maybe when I'm on the road I'm going to show you a little clip of, you know, something, or if I get something. But but otherwise from that, I'm just here trying to check in back on you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying your Christmas dinner and all of that, and Christmas good tuna and so much more. Just comment down below and say what you want to eat, because I'm intrigued about everything Christmas, you know. And just tell me and just tell your mama, say big up your grandmother, your auntie, your sister, your brother, your uncle, your father, your twin, anybody, your friend, your best friend, your close friend, your real friend, your Toga's friend. To the whole of them, your Christian people, them just tell them, I say Merry Christmas, you know. And to the some people them who do not celebrate Christmas, that's fine. Happy holidays to you too. Hope you still get a nice dinner today, because at the end of the day, food for eat, dinner for eat, and all of that. So yeah, just happy holidays, and I wish you guys a happy New Year's when it comes, you know. And I wish this season that we're going to step in would be full of joy, better than 2020, because honestly 2020 has been so much. This has been the longest year for me. I can't just comment and tell me, because this year was the longest year. I'm telling you, this was the longest year I've ever been in. I feel like I'm more than 365 days the end of this. This feel like I did 400 ago. Though talk truth. But yeah, man, that's how we pan them. I know them not come out yet, it's something in my eye, but I'm keeping this light for y'all. But yeah, and but I'm gonna see you guys on next day. Peace.
I guess I really don't
Hey guys,
know
what the
Christmas
fuck
is all
is
about.
what's up? Is the way I laugh? Tell them hi. Tell them keep it real with dinner. Keep it real with dinner.
Isn't there anyone
Keep it real with dinner.
Say keep it real with dinner.
Keep it real with dinner.
Period. But yes, so this come over here so now we're not gonna see him. This is my cousin, guys. I'm going to do a video with you. Look over them, but we're gonna do a video with him soon. Yes, so I get to know him. Y'all can just DM me some questions, because we're gonna do truth or drink. So look out for that. Yes! And that girl didn't come show herself from Christmas start. Anyway, this is the picture. No.
It's been so
I'm the camera every guys.
many times,
Yeah.
many
Oh, yeah, but this
ways.
is what go over there to come show them. What's this? This.
What's your most booty, my brother?
Just come like the stinking camera guy there. Wait, guys, let me zoom in a little.
Chestnuts
Me want to see you. But guys, this is the outfit for the day. It feels like so.
So I'm offering.
Come and hype me up. Come and hype me up. But let's make it so this is the chill vibe. You know, in a rump. What is the name? I don't know what name is a rumpa, but I don't know what it's from.
Many
Or
times, many
dance.
ways.
But yeah, that's what we schmoozing. I'm gonna take a few pictures for myself. I'm not take picture. Like, my legit just take a lot of videos. Wanna tell Merry Christmas now? Tell. See what as a YouTuber go through and I appreciate it. Tell him Merry Christmas, Ryan, again. Tell him, Ryan, tell him Merry Christmas.
Although it's been
Merry Christmas.
Tell him, Kanila.
many times, many ways.
Yeah. This is not the end of the vlog. I'm waiting on Lincoln to give her the final gift. And after that, I'm gonna give you guys. Oh, I'm gonna show them my food. I'm gonna show you guys right now. That's dinner for you. I don't know what this, but some pork chicken. This is fried chicken. Oxtail to the side. I don't know what's right here. And the vegetable, y'all. 3 different types of vegetable. Pasta, mashed potato, raw veg, rice in the back. My hand over the top. Peace. Tell them, you ready for your next gift?
Yeah.
Sit down on the bed right there, sir. See guys? I currently did that edit. Okay. So first tell him how was your Christmas?
Well, Christmas is so awesome.
You loved everything about it?
Every single
And you ready for your last gift?
I got ham, I got chicken, I got rice, I got
What you got as gifts?
what?
Where you getting your gifts?
I got candle with earring, bag.
Wow, you got a bag?
Yeah.
Wow.
We got about 3 ears.
What box?
Crayola box.
We got
Yeah.
No.
and we got more things and it.
And she got you got a bicycle that you were so excited
It was-
for.
Yeah, it was so big.
Yeah.
I jumped with it, but
You fell?
when I was stuck.
Well, I have one more gift for you.
Yeah.
How you feel about this?
Watch out. Watch out. Come here.
You want to pull it?
Yeah.
You want to pull it off camera?
No, not off camera.
Alright, go ahead. Hold on before you hold it. Hold on before you open it. Let me switch myself. Alright, so I have our student right here, so. And she gonna go ahead and pull it. So go ahead.
Let's do it. Yeah, scissors. Scissors.
You don't know what to pull again? Is that what you're telling us?
Hard.
Until then, go pull in our gift. Wait. I never finish talk. Wait. Listen. Before you look in there. Alright, so I'm gonna tell you. Watch out, this girl have on mascara. Anyways, this gift, guys, is, well, I got her these because it's more than one. Because she always telling me, you can get me this, you can get me this. And she always using mine. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get this for you. So that's what she got. And I hope you like it. Well, I hope you love them. Because I know you always want them. So look at it. Go ahead. You can't let me help you, okay? You don't even know to pull it.
It's big. Yes.
I couldn't find the box. Hold on, let me see your face. Let me see your face when you're doing it. Do it now. Open it, but I want to catch your face. You like them? Yeah, guys, I got a lot of spray. You excited? I'm confused. She got some spray, guys.
It's the best.
She got some bath and body works. And she got a lotion. You love them? Smell them. Yeah, clean up my room though. You smell the car.
That's why everybody's laughing. Yeah, let's go to the
See you in the next clip. Bye. How you feel?
Good.
You love your gift?
Yeah.
Well, guys, we're actually at the end of this video, so I just wanted to tell you guys Merry Christmas, big up on yourself, Happy New Year when it comes. And yeah, when I must say, I'm gonna see your gifts and all of that, all I got was the smile, like legit the smile on their faces and their reaction. Oh yeah, we have one more gift for the baby again.
Baby cousin.
Yeah, but I'm gonna do that off camera because I think I'll need to upload this video soon and he's not here at the moment. So yeah, guys, I just want to say I love you guys so much. Thanks for tuning into this video.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Yes, thanks for watching. And just
You TikTok, guys. You better go in.
guys, don't forget to go down in the description and follow me on all socials. The link is down in the description. That is the little part down the bottom. And don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and just say me on Christmas go. If I feel even say it never saw spicy tonight, I'm not telling you no, like this is the best Christmas. It was very stressing, it was a lot, but this by far was the best Christmas I had. Pretty chill and all of that. But anyways, just comment and tell
My
how it
baby
go.
cousin comes back.
But we're still doing it off camera.
Oh, man.
But anyways, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.